So if you're noticing wrinkles, puffiness under your eyes, or even circles under your eyes, like I am, this is going to really benefit you. This has been great for me. There's 4 different packets in here. And what I want to do in this review is go over each of the packets, what they do, what you can expect, and stay tuned to the end because I have 4 key things that I really feel like you need to know. Now, one thing I want to point out, this is not only good for women, but these are great for men. My husband uses them and he loves them. So men out there, this will benefit you as well. Let me show you what you get in the box. You're going to get 7 of this gold, 24 gold, 6 of the caffeine, 6 of the hyaluronic, and 6 of the aloe vera. So nice variety. They come individually wrapped, which is great. So if you're going to the gym or you're going to work or before work or traveling especially, these are great. You're just going to slip it in there. Look how thin they are. They just fit right in your purse or your backpack and you're ready to go. Now these were gifted to me and I am hooked on them. I love them. What so impressed me is the company actually has these tested in the USA and it's with dermatology. And I really like that. I like that there's testing behind this that actually proves that it does work. Let me go ahead and show you these 2 that I opened this morning. I used them and my husband used them and they're super thin, but you know what? I thought they were going to tear on me and they're not that thin. They have some thickness to them and they're cool to the touch. They're really easy to apply. You just apply them just wherever you feel like you have a need or you're trying to work on. Mine is right here. I have these wrinkles that are coming up. They're really fine wrinkles, so this is perfect. This is my area that I'm really trying to work on. Now the caffeine is going to relieve edema and it's rich in antioxidant and reduces dark circles, which is great. Now we also have the hyaluronic and that's deep moisturizing, restores skin and locks in that moisture. The aloe vera hydrates, moisturizes and smooths and repairs the skin. Now each of these packets come with the directions at the back, which is great. If you're going to give these as little gifts or Christmas stockings, these are great. They can be used individually, which I really think is very helpful. It comes with this read before you use patch. Oh, it's very, very helpful. One of the things that I do want to point out is you want to make sure that your face is thoroughly clean and dry. They do suggest that you put them in the refrigerator for extra smooth feeling, and just be careful when you're opening these because right when you open these, it's really kind of close to that patch. I didn't have any problems, but they do want to make sure that you're careful on that. And the recommendation for these, for you to wear these, is about 20 minutes. So you want to either put these on, do some stuff around the house, and then you'll be surprised on how fast 20 minutes goes by. One thing they do note is when you take this out of the bag, your patches, and you after you put these on your eyes, there's always a little bit of syrup that's left in here. I just pour it in my hand and then I just wipe it over my face. I put some on my neck too, so you don't want to let anything go to waste. And the 4th thing is they do recommend you do this 3 to 4 times a week at your convenience. So this is great, like if in the morning, that's when I like to do it, is in the morning, or right before you go to bed is good too. But it is recommended for you to try to do it in the morning. I think just so, you're just fresh and up and, you're starting your day. That's when you get the great benefits. So I hope you found this helpful. Thank you for watching.